Spring into the holiday with these new Easter cookie stencils from Confection Couture. Using a plastic bottle with dropper tip, try mixing different Decopac Airbrush Colorants to create your own unique shade. Here, we've mixed a squirt of white with a couple of drops of black to make a light gray color for the background of the bunny stencil. Be sure to shake the bottle thoroughly. After adding a few drops to a clean AirGenie airbrush tool, test out the color on a white sheet of paper. Adjust the ratio if necessary to achieve the desired shade. After separating the two portions of the Stencil Genie, place the thicker side down, magnets facing up. Next, lock the stencil in place using the upper portion and position over the first cookie. Use cookie magnets in stacks of 2 or more to help secure the stencil in place. Test out the flow of your AirGenie on a stack of paper towels and adjust as needed by turning the knob on top of the unit. Airbrush your cookie by pressing the trigger lightly and moving the tool with tight circular motions. Continue until the color is full and evenly distributed. Once complete, carefully place your cookie aside to dry. To clean your airbrush tool between colors, first rinse out the reservoir thoroughly with water. Then, reattach the hose, fill the reservoir with clean water, and run it through. Repeat a second time with water, and then a third time using an inexpensive vodka. Stencils and stencil tools can be cleaned simply by rinsing them with water and then drying them completely using a paper towel or lint-free dish towel. To make a darker gray for the next cookie, add a couple more drops of black colorant to the gray you previously made. To isolate specific elements of a stencil, place a piece of Glad press and seal over the top. Use your fingers to remove any bubbles or wrinkles. Use a Gyro-Cut craft and hobby cutting tool to trim around the edge, then pull away any excess plastic. Next, carefully trim around any desired elements, in this case the outer portions of the bunny ears. Turn the blade sideways and use it to lift a corner of the trim piece, then peel it away. Place the stencil in the Stencil Genie as you did earlier. For detailed elements, try using the Screen Genie over top of the stencil before locking the Stencil Genie together. Airbrush as you did earlier. Switch to Mauve colorant for the inner ear elements. Also, use this color for the bunny face and feet features. To isolate one of the bunnies on the Hello Peep stencil, use a Quadrant masking tool to cover the surrounding areas. Next, switch to straight black for the text on the Hip Hop cookie. Use black to finish off the bunny face. Add more black to the gray mixture you made earlier to fill in the Hello Peeps text. Next, mix some lime green with emerald green to create the color for the middle peep element. Load some honey colorant for the remaining peep. Tangerine is up next for the main elements of the carrot stencil. Finally, a light coat of emerald will do nicely to finish off the carrot designs. Your cookies are now complete and ready to make your Easter guest hop with delight. For more tips and ideas, visit ConfectionCoutureStencils.com today.